Let us now discuss another MCQ of matrices chapter. So the given question is, let A and B be 2 by 2 matrices. Let A and B be 2 by 2 matrices. Consider the statements. Consider the statements. Okay, now so they gave the statements. The first statement is AB is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Okay, now next is what it is, AB is equal to I, then A is equal to B inverse. Next condition is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, now in this the options they given us, first part is false and your second and third part is true. In the second option they said first and third part are false, second is true. And then the second C option is given as first and third are false, 2 is true. And it is 2 and 3 are false and your 1 is true. Okay, so this is the options given for this question. Okay, so here first option is what AB is equal to 0. Here what they said, if product of two matrices are 0, then either one of the matrices are 0. It is saying na, but this is the first statement. Okay, now if product of any two matrices are 0, then it need not to be one of the matrices 0. Okay, so this is the statement of the matrix, and here it is what this statement, second one. So if AB is equal to I, if product of two matrices is resultant to identity matrix, then this can be written as what? Then A can be written as B inverse, okay now, or B is written as A inverse. Like this we can write. Okay, so this is satisfying the condition na? A is equal to B inverse. So our 2 is correct. Now let us see the third option here, third part. So here A plus B whole square. Since this is false now, because A and B are the matrices and order is important in matrices. Okay, now we cannot make the order interchanged. Okay, so like this, A can be 2 by 3 matrix, this can be 3 by 2 or any matrix. Since here orders are important, no? So we cannot write like this. So what we have to do here, A plus B whole square means A plus B into A plus B. Then multiply A with A square, then A into B, AB plus BA plus B square. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, this part of the question. Here AB and BA are not equal. Okay, now so this is not commutative. Product of two matrices doesn't follow commutative law. So which option is correct? Only 2 is true. So here second option, 1 and 3 are false, but only 2 is true. So like this we can solve this type of questions. How to solve this type of questions? Your basics must be clear. Okay.